Over the last few years, I've built my business on saving money and saving taxes for recruiters. The best way to do this as an accountant usually is just kind of show you exactly how we could possibly save you some money. So let me just talk about this really quick and we'll just use an example. Let's call him Sam. Okay. So Sam, he comes into my office. Sam has a single member LLC, right? Sam's made $60,000 this year. He's made a couple of excellent placements, made 60,000 bucks. Well, Sam's in the recruiting industry, so as you probably well know, you probably got about 80% profit margin on all that. After we're all said and done, we spent some money on LinkedIn, maybe we spent some money on some digital marketing, maybe we spent some money in a couple different locations. We've got mileage, home office deduction, etc. So the most that we could probably get usually is around $48,000 after all is said and done. So we're at this $48,000 mark. First of all, we're going to have to pay self-employment tax, right? Self-employment tax with the single member LLC is around 15%. Okay. There's another factor that goes into play there. I'm just going to plug it in really quick, but we're going to pay about $6,782 in self-employment tax. Pretty hefty number, right? But not only are we going to pay self-employment tax, we're also going to pay income tax on the $48,000. So first of all, we're going to have the $48,000. We're going to get a deduction. It's going to be 1/2 of the self-employment tax, right? So I'm going to take that. I'm going to take the 6,700. Actually, let's go ahead and just say this $6,782. Divide that by 2. That's $3,391 that we're going to be able to deduct from our $48,000. So $48,000 minus 3,391. We're at $44,609. We're going to get a 20% QBI deduction. Okay, so we're going to be able to take $44,609. We're going to subtract $8,921, $22. Let's round up a little bit. Now we're at $35,687. We're going to be able to subtract the standard deduction, which is $12,400. Now we're at $23,287. Roughly the effective tax rate and around that range is around 10-11%. So I'm just going to say 11%. Now we're paying $2,561. And we're also going to pay that self-employment tax, right? So that self-employment tax was $6,782. So we're paying $9,343.57 on $60,000 worth of income. That seems like a lot, right? What if I told you that the $6,782, I can get that lopped off this year, halved next year and all following years. And as you make more money, this number is going to go down. This number is going to, the amount of savings that you're going to have over that entire time period, it's going to go up, right? What about this $2,561? As we make more money, we can put more money in retirement, right? We put more money in retirement, I can get that number down, that $2,561 down. I can get a lot of your taxes down pretty close to zero when all said and done. So I can save you $6,782 today. So let's have a conversation. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description to get an appointment. Let's just see if it makes sense to work together after we have a conversation. So I really hope to meet with you and talk with you about your situation. And I really hope that we can save some taxes together. All right. Thanks.